Best natural cough remedies. Generally speaking, coughing is perfectly normal. A cough can help to keep your throat clear from phlegm and other irritants. However, sustained coughing can also be symptomatic of a number of conditions, such as an allergy, a viral infection, or bacterial infection. Sometimes a cough isn't due to anything related to your lungs, but can also cause a cough. Honey. Honey is a time-honored remedy for a sore throat. It can also relieve coughs more effectively. You can create your own remedy at home by mixing up 2 teaspoons of honey with herbal tea or warm water and lemon. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves are well known for their healing properties. Menthol in peppermint soothes the throat and acts as a decongestant, helping to break down mucus. You can benefit by drinking peppermint tea or by inhaling peppermint vapors from a steam bath. Thyme. Thyme is used by some for respiratory illnesses. Essence extracted from thyme leaves mixed with ivy can help relieve coughing as well as short-term bronchitis. The leaves contain compound called flavonoids that relax the throat muscles involved in coughing and lessens inflammation. Salt and water gargle. Salt and water gargle can help soothe a scratchy throat that causes you to cough. Mixing 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoons of salt with 8 ounces of warm water can help to relieve irritation. Bromelium. You don't usually think of pineapple as a cough remedy, but that might be because you have never heard of bromelain. There is slight evidence to suggest that bromelain, an enzyme found only in the stem and fruit of pineapples, can help suppress coughs as well as loosen the mucus in your throat. To enjoy the most benefit of pineapple and bromelain, eat a slice of pineapple or drink 3.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juices 3 times a day.